Hi everyone, welcome to Arm Candy. We've got another gorgeous bag to show you today, and this is a Prada. It's a Prada shopping top handles bag. So I'll show you the features of this. So we've got double top handles, and then we've got one front exterior flat pocket, and that's zipped as well. It's got a lovely chunky zip and leather zip pull on there, which I really like. And then on the top, we've got, you can see there, press stud, fastened opening. We've got two open sections and then another central zipped section. It's got that nice same chunky hardware on it. And then at the back, we've got one more zipped flat pocket. And then we've got one little, just get that closed again. In front of that pocket, we've got another little flat pocket there. And then on the opposite side, another zipped flat pocket, and again that zip still works really nicely. It's a little bit stiff, but it's not kind of got any snags or anything like that. And then another two flat pockets there. So the condition of this bag we've called good all around. I'll show you why. So on the front of this bag, you can see we've got quite a bit of a mark on that corner there. Then there's just a couple of scratches, so we've got one here, and a little bit of a scratch there. I'll show you, and a little bit of a mark just there as well. The back has not got many marks for me to show you, and again the base is in nice condition. There's just a little bit of wear to the sides here and a little bit there. We've also got 4 base studs, which I forgot to show you earlier, so we've got 4 base studs there. The condition of the hardware we've called good again. You can see that it's just starting to scratch. The base studs always show signs of wear, so just starting to scratch on those base studs. You can see that if I bring it back and show you, it's kind of got a bend in it from where it's been stored probably, but as soon as you start using it and start getting your stuff in there, you can see that it will just fill out nicely, and you'll be able to see that beautiful shape as well. The interior, again, we've called good, and for similar reasons, there's just a few marks here and there, and you can just tell that has been used before, and so that's why we've called it good all around. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've just got Prada dust bag. Coming with this Prada, we've also got a little Prada card envelope, and in there we've got a few little bits. So we've got Prada product tag, so that gives you the info of the colour and the material on there. And then we've got authenticity card and also a little care booklet as well. So that is what it comes with. If you would like to know the exact measurements of this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That link should hopefully take you directly to the page on our website where you can shop this bag. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto. So just let us know that you love this bag, send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website, and we will get you on our request list. And then next time we have a bag in like this one, you can hopefully get in there quickly, nice and quickly before everyone else. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". It sits quite nicely on your arm like that, and it's a nice big size as well. You can get a lot in here. It's nice and sturdy too. This leather is sturdy, gives it a nice shape. So yeah, it is a beautiful bag. For more details on the bag, again, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse through our website while you're there and sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. And don't forget to have a look at our how to sell with us page as well. So if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, get onto that page and you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us. And that's all I have for you, so I'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.